Alright YouTube, welcome back for another video from TDL DIY. So I'm going to start off by saying sorry I didn't get my video out yesterday. I usually post every Saturday like I say, but Saturday I was busy dealing with insurance and stuff like that. So as you can probably tell by my intro, my vehicle has got into an accident, we'll call it. It was a hit and run while I was in Cabela's parking lot. I was currently in Cabela's buying some stuff with the family, and when I came out, we, it's been in a hit and run. No note left whatsoever. So I was dealing with going down, trying to look at, or trying to get footage of the area, so that maybe we could see what time exactly they hit, whatever. So I was dealing with that, got insurance. Actually, I was going to put it through, or I was going to fix it myself and do a video on that, but I decided not to, for the simple fact that when I called Nissan, they told me the front headlight would be $2,000. I'm sure I can get an aftermarket one cheaper or a used one cheaper, and I have looked, and I could probably get them for about secondhand original Nissan part would be about $500 and something. It ranges from like high 300s to six something. So I talked over with the wife, and we figured this was the best approach on this vehicle, is just get the insurance to take care of it. So that's what we've done, and that's what we're gonna do. But I would have really liked to have done a video, because I'll show you the damage here a little bit more. I would have liked to have just replaced the headlight, pushed out the bumper, and Bob's your uncle, pretty much fixed, and showing you guys that it's something you guys can do as well. But in this case, since it's a 2017, and like I said, the headlight was about $2,000, we decided just to get the insurance to take care of it. Sometimes it's worth just letting the insurance take care of it. We pay the deductible. That's the way to go, but not always. Sometimes it's just worth fixing yourself. So I'm going to stop rambling. I'm going to show you guys what the damage is. Alright guys, so as you could tell, it was probably a truck that hit me, because they're a little bit higher up. It wouldn't be a car, because their bumper, top of their bumper wouldn't be that high up on my car. So I figured that could get pushed out, go inside, pop it out, maybe with some heat. The problem is that, as I can see, this headlight, see it sticks out here, and that's how it's supposed to be. And then it becomes very smooth and doesn't stick out. I could show you the other one for reference. See, it kind of, the headlight sticks out the whole way up, about 3/4 of an inch or so, maybe an inch. So yeah, this one, the tabs broke on it, and right here, since it hit right down here, it kind of pushed this fender out a bit. Even though there's no crinkles or rinks or anything physically wrong with the fender, that could be easy. Just once we get the headlight put in, you push it back a little bit and everything would line up. So I'm going to kind of show you, if I can, inside a bit. It's hard to see there, but right in there where my finger is, there's a tab that's broken, and then there's another one in there, but I don't think you can see it. No, somewhere in there, yeah. So yeah guys, that's what I've been dealing with yesterday. Like I said, I would like to have done a video show you guys how to fix it, but in this case it didn't make sense for me to go that route when I could pay the deductible of $450 and have it all done, where the headlight would have cost $2,000 for a brand new one, which I probably would have went with. I maybe could have found an aftermarket one or used one in very good condition for around the same price, but that's the way we're going to go this time. This headlight is in very good condition, so I'm going to ask to have that headlight back with all the tabs, just in case something like this happens again. Then I have the driver's side headlight, and if they decide to buy a new bumper, then I'll ask for that as well. But yeah, time will see. So guys, sorry again for not posting yesterday on Saturday. I really am sorry, but I had to deal with this. So if you like this video, guys, and like my other videos, feel free to keep watching. Don't forget, if you're new to my channel, feel free to hit that subscribe button and the bell for any notifications. Like I said, most of the time I post pretty much every time I post every Saturday and the occasional Wednesdays. You can also follow me on Facebook. I believe my page, I'll put a link in the description below of where you can follow me on Facebook. Yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget, never stop learning.